Oh my gosh, super cute Thanksgiving decoration alert. This was sent to me so I could check it out. Immediately, I'm like, oh, this is adorable. It's little pumpkin pie slices. Each one is separate. They're cloth, squishy. This is, you know, whipped cream, but it looks like a little flower too. You can set these out for Thanksgiving, like put them on the Thanksgiving Day table, or leave them out all fall season because they're adorable. Let me set them up. I wanted to see if I could make these look cute on my mantle. I don't know. I know they're really for like a table setting, but I think they look kind of cute here. You can tell it's pumpkin pie, just slices piled. You could put one on each plate when you set the Thanksgiving Day table. I think that's kind of a cute idea. And of course they look good just as a centerpiece, like that. Assemble it like the whole pie. Each piece is like super thick, sturdy, well made. So if some of the children at Thanksgiving happen to get their hands on them, I think they could hold up to some play. Probably not a dog though, not a dog toy. But I definitely want to find ways to display them so I could put them out for all fall season, not just Thanksgiving, because I think they're really adorable and you can really get creative with how you set them up. There, I like them on the mantle like that because you can tell it's pie slices. So yeah, just a very cute, not just Thanksgiving, but decoration for all of the fall season.